There are moments in marriage where one simple conversation turns into an argument before we can even realize it. It starts small, a tone, a look, a word, and suddenly we are saying things we cannot take back or withdrawing in silence that feels louder than words. In today's video, I'll share 3 quick tips to help us avoid escalation before words or silence cause deeper damage. Hello, I'm Joan Bright, a certified marriage counselor and family therapist. I help Christian couples in ministry to rekindle love, passion, intimacy, and connection. Let's dive right in. 1. Pause before you react. Proverbs 15 verse 1 NKJV says that a soft answer it turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. When tension rises, the first thing to do is really simple, is to pause. Pause before you react. Pause before you react. You see, the goal isn't to win the argument. It is to protect the relationship. If we can keep this at the back of our minds, it will help us to be able to de-escalate the tension. The goal isn't to win the argument. It's not to prove who is right and who is wrong, but to protect the relationship. That pause gives us a moment to breathe, a moment to pray and choose our words carefully. See, that short gap between reaction and response is what will determine whether the relationship will heal or break. When we rush to defend ourselves, we often add fuel to a small fire. But when we pause, even for a few seconds, we give the Holy Spirit room to calm our hearts before we speak. 2. Change the tone, not the truth. Our tone determines how the truth will be received. For example, instead of saying you never listen to me, why don't you try? I feel unheard when I talk about things that matter to me. You see the difference? The truth remains, but the tone changes everything. One invites a fight, the other one invites understanding. Ephesians 4:29. And today I want to read the New Living Translation. It throws a deep light on it. It says that don't use foul or abusive language. Let everything you say be good and helpful, so that your words will be an encouragement to those who hear them. When our tone becomes gentle and respectful, even difficult conversations can lead to deeper connection. It is not about avoiding hard truths, it's about delivering them in a way that our spouse can receive. So they are not receiving because of the way we are delivering the message, and we need to change that. 3. Reset, don't retaliate. Colossians 3:13, New Living Translation says that make allowance for each other's faults and forgive anyone who offends you. Remember, the Lord forgave you, so you must forgive others. Before we talk about forgiveness, let's just sit with this first phrase, make allowance for each other's faults. That means creating space in our hearts for the fact that our spouse is human. They may have whatever title, bishop, reverend, choir director, whatever title. They are men and women of God. So they will make mistakes. They will say things that are wrong. And they will sometimes hurt us without meaning to. It doesn't mean that we tolerate wrongdoing, but it does mean that we stop expecting perfection. When we make that allowance, it becomes easier for us to forgive because we have already decided that grace will have a place in our home. Retaliation may feel satisfying in the moment, but it never restores connection. It never restores correct connection. Resetting is the way. Resetting means that you are taking a break to breathe. You are choosing grace and you are giving the relationship another chance to heal. So when conflict rises, I want you to remember these three quick tips. One, pause before you react. Two, change the tone, not the truth. Three, reset, don't retaliate. Every strong marriage learns how to pause in heated moments because love and understanding grows within the pauses. If this video spoke to your heart, I would love to help you go deeper inside my online course, Effective Communication in Marriage, where I teach biblical and practical tools to help Christian couples, especially couples in ministry, to talk through anything without drifting apart. You'll find the link in the description. And if you would like to stay connected, you can also join my free Telegram community. It's a safe space for Christian couples in ministry to receive encouragement from me and also to stay updated with new videos and resources when they are available. I want you to share this video. I want you to like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and please drop a comment for me. Let me know how this is helping you. I want you to remember that you are not alone.